In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Jotform Thank You page. Whether you want to show appreciation or direct users to another page after they complete your form, setting up a thank you page in Jotform is straightforward and effective. First, let's start by opening your form in the Form Builder. Once you have your form open, look towards the top menu and click on the Settings tab. This is your gateway to customizing how your form behaves after submission. From the options on the left, select Thank You Page. Here you'll notice two main options for what happens once someone submits your form. The first option is to show a custom thank you page. Selecting Show a Thank You Page allows you to display a personalized message right after the form submission. The default message might say something simple like, "Thanks for submitting your form," but you're free to edit it to suit your needs. You can add text, images, or even hyperlinks to this page. The built-in editor makes it quite easy to format this content just the way you like it. Plus, if you want to make it even more personal, you can insert form fields like the respondent's name or order number using the convenient Form Fields dropdown. It's a great way to add that personal touch and enhance user experience. Alternatively, you may want to redirect users to an external page after they submit your form. To do this, choose the option labeled Redirect to an External Link. A perfect use case for this is if you want the form respondents to reach your main website or maybe a specific landing page, such as a scheduling page or a file download. Simply enter the URL of the destination page you want them to be directed to, and you're all set. This function opens up many possibilities for guiding users seamlessly through your online processes, whether it's encouraging more interaction or immediately delivering additional content. Both of these thank you page options have their benefits depending on your needs. And there you have it. By setting up a custom message or redirecting to an external link, you can control what happens next, maintaining that consistent user experience across your brand's touchpoints. Whether you opt to thank users directly on the form or guide them to another valuable resource, these steps ensure your message is delivered effectively. Now you're all set to enhance your form submissions with a tailored thank you page experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Jotform tips and tricks.